Chapter 16 covers diversity and global cultures, and there's a couple big takeaways from this chapter. So the first one I want to talk about is why is diversity so important in the workplace? And there's some of the reasons why it is so important. I mean, first of all, diversity is good for an organization because it offers a source of competitive advantage. Diversity also provides for inclusion, which drives the business case for diversity. Having a diverse and inclusive workplace is good for morale. Research also shows that companies with a greater percentage of diversity, even in women on their boards, shows that they outperform those boards that have a lower female representation. So that's another reason to have diversity. It can also improve business performance by expanding the talent pool of the organization and establish a better understanding of our customers and our stakeholders. And all of this starts on page 302 of the textbook. And again, those are beyond the legal reasons for diversity. Why is it important in the workplace? And then the second big takeaway for this chapter is why is it so difficult to manage diversity in global companies? And some of the reasons why it's so difficult to manage diversity in global organizations begins on page 308, and it lists some of these reasons. So, one of the reasons is, first of all, it's difficult when people experience things like culture shock. Managers and employees may not have cultural intelligence, so that can be difficult. Hall talks about silent languages of cultures, and that can also, provide difficulty when it comes to managing a diverse workforce. So the whole second half of this chapter of takeaway 16.2 talks about, why it's difficult for managers to manage in diverse global companies. So I want you to pay attention to that and kind of read that section as well. All right, thanks.